This here is a bug deflector, obviously by WeatherTech. Now this thing was a little bit expensive, but after doing a lot of research, I found out that those cheap bug deflectors that were like $30, $40, the UV rays just tear those things up and they get brittle, they break after driving down the highway, and it'll just be like throwing $40 down the drain. This one was like, I think it was like $79, $85 or something like that with shipping, or maybe it was $90. But this is a name brand company, and as you can even see, made in the USA. Let's see here. Look at that. So no cheap Chinese stuff here, guys. This is, which I use a lot of cheap Chinese stuff, but this isn't one of them, right? So I wanted to get something that was going to be good and something was going to last. So let's get this thing open. So I was a little off on the price. It's been a while. I've actually had this for months. It's been, now that I'm in quarantine, I got some time. So it was $59, and with shipping, it was $79.95. So still not super cheap, but it's not that bad either, actually, when you think about it. So it comes in a super long box. Alright guys, and here it is. So on here kind of like so. Oh shit. Okay. Get this off of here. So inside the package, so you got two of these fasteners. And it's the type that has the Phillips screw head in the top. You got a couple of these that are like little protectors. And then you got a manual, or an instruction guide, or whatever this is going to be. So now that I'm actually getting into this, it looks like I probably should have, get some focus here. Looks like I probably should have did this while I was doing the grill, but that's what you get when you don't pay attention. So in order to take these nuts off these bolts, I have to cut the zip ties that I use to attach my wiring and kind of run it along the edge of the hood here. So I'm removing that. I'm loosening these bolts. At first I try to just loosen it, and then I realized later I have to completely remove the grill. But the process for removing this third-party aftermarket grill in the original is somewhat similar, just maybe different size bolts. I can't remember if it used the same bolts or not. So you got this factory hole here, and this is what those plastic fasteners go into, and then everything else is just held by the grill being bolted on tight. But like I was saying, you have to get this grill off. You're gonna get that piece back here on both sides. So I finally got the grill completely removed, but the wires are still connected, so kind of have to leave it close. So I get the bug deflector in position and was able to slide the bolts through from the grill back through the hole. So the first thing I do is just put a bolt in each of the support arms, and then I'm coming back with the thumb rivets or fasteners, and I'm getting those inside that hole that I just showed you. And it's a pretty simple install. I'm just reinstalling the nuts on the back side of the grill. It goes on pretty quick. So there it is, guys. I gotta say, with the headlights and the grill, it really kind of sets the truck off in the front of the truck. man, I really feel like the addition of these three things really takes a lot of years off of the truck. It looks a lot newer than it did with the original chrome bumper on it. So I'm really happy with this thing. You can see from the side profile that it doesn't come vertically a whole lot. It's not very tall, so it kind of follows the profile of the truck. As you can see right here, I mean, it doesn't sit very proud. I mean, maybe an inch and a half at the tallest. So here's with the lights on. It just has a really slick look. I really like it. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I got affiliate links in the description. That helped me out a lot. I appreciate it. Thank you.